Dear student, this is Shailendra Janbandhu and today's topic is calculation of mean, median and mode in simple series. Okay, so we have the data for the series just like 9, 7, 11, 8, 13, 5, 7, 8. To calculate mean, we already discussed about the mean and the formula of mean, that is A or x bar equals to summation m upon n. Okay, to calculate mean we have to calculate summation m and n. To calculate the summation m, make the addition of all numbers. So summation m equals to 9 plus 7 plus 11 plus 8 plus 13 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 equals to 68. So we have the summation m equals to 68. Okay, we get the summation m. Now n equals to the number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have the 8. So 68 is a summation m and 8 is a number of observation, that is n. So 68 divided by 8. Therefore 68 divided by 8 equals to 8.5. And approximately x bar equals to 9. Approx. If a decimal point is less than 5, it never be incremented. Okay, if it is 5 or greater than 5, then 1 will be incremented in the real number. Therefore we get the incremented random, okay, round, that is 9. Second calculation is calculation of median. Calculation of median. Okay, the formula for the median is m equals to the size of n plus 1 divided by 2 item. So the size of 8 plus 1 divided by 2 item. So the size of 9 divided by 2 the item. The size of 4.5 item. In last lecture session we discussed that, or we calculate the median, that time we get a 4 full value. Okay, means we don't have a floating point or decimal point. That time we calculate the values. For that we need to rearrange the data in ascending order. So lowest value in this is 5, then 7, again 7, 8, again 8, 9, and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 5, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 11 and 30. Okay, in last lecture we get an integer value, that is without decimal point. Therefore we can calculate or count 1 to 4. But in this example we get a decimal number. When we get a decimal number, that time we cannot count the value just like 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have a 4.5. So we cannot count the 4.5. When the answer is in the decimal point, that time we have to use another one formula, that is the size of integer number fourth item plus next is the size of fifth item and whole divided by 2. This particular example or formula used when we have a decimal point. So the fourth point or the fourth item in the series 1 in ascending order series 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 8 plus the fifth item, that is again 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth. Fourth and fifth. Again 8 divided by 2. So we have 16 divided by 2, that is 8. Okay. So M equals to 8. Means median equals to 8. This way we calculate the mean and median. But when it is in integer value or whole value, one number is available, that time we calculate directly or count directly in ascending order. But if it is in a decimal point, that time we have to use another formula, that is the fourth item plus fifth item. If there is 5.5, then we get the fifth plus sixth item. Okay, fifth plus sixth. Fourth item 8, fifth item 8 divided by 2, 16. Therefore M equals to 8. Now calculate mode. To calculate mode, we have to calculate Z equals to the most repeated value by observation. Most repeated value. So we have 7 2 times, 8 2 times. Means here we have two values that are repeated, that is 7 2 times, 8 2 times. Therefore we say that the mode is not clear by observation method. Because 7 and 8 are repeated 2 times. Both are common, therefore we cannot define that the mode is 7 or 8. This way, or in this situation, we use imperial method. First and second method, that is imperial method. The universal formula for calculating mean, median and mode. When we have two values or we have already given two values, just like mean median, mode median, mean mode or median, any of these three values and two values are available, that time we can calculate the third value, and that process is called as a imperial method. And the formula for that is Z equals to 3M, means 3 median minus 2A, that is 2 mean. So we have median, 3 multiplied by median is 8 minus 2 multiplied by mean, we calculate the mean, that is 9. So 24 minus 18. 24 minus 18. 24 minus 18, that is 6. That is 6. So Z equals to 6. Okay. We discuss in this example two another methods to calculate median and mode. That is, when we have the decimal point, that time we use another median formula for the size of fourth item plus fifth item. Okay. Addition of fourth item and fifth item. Okay. We get a median. When the observation method is failed to calculate mode, that time we use a imperial method to calculate median mode. Okay. So the imperial method have 3m minus 2a, that is 8, that is median, and 9 mean. So 8 3s are 24 and 2 9s are 18. 24 minus 18 equals to 6. So we get a value, that is 6. 6 is a mode for this observation or series. Thank you.